All right, welcome back. I am so pumped about what's ahead for you. Starting a digital products business is hands down one of the most powerful ways to turn your passion into profit. But let's be real, it's not for everyone, and that's totally okay. My job here is to help you figure out if this path aligns with your skills, your passions, and your goals. So, what is a digital products business? You might be asking yourself, what exactly is this digital marketing thing? You've heard a lot about it on social media, and you may have heard about overnight internet sensations that have gone viral. They made millions in 3 months. But the crux of it is selling a digital product. It's simple. Okay. You create something once, like an online course, an ebook, templates, training, webinars, and you sell it over and over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, no overhead like traditional businesses. The work is front loaded, meaning you build it once and you can generate revenue on autopilot. So here's why this business model is such a game changer. It has low startup costs, no warehouses, no employees, no massive investments. There's unlimited scalability. Really, the sky's the limit. If you can dream it, you can achieve it. You're going to sell your product, you can sell it to 10 people or 10,000 people or 10 million people without any extra work. It's just really up to you and your skill set. All right, this business has the ultimate in flexibility. You can literally run this business from anywhere. You can run it from home, from vacation, at a coffee shop, at a poolside cabana. Like, what could be better? But is it right for you? It is not right for everyone. We all dream of having our own business, but really it does take a lot of consistent effort and determination to run your own business. So let's do a quick gut check right down inside. If any of these resonate with you, you are in the right place. You love helping people. You have knowledge, you have experience or expertise that can solve problems for people. You want to work on your own terms. You crave freedom. No boss, no clocking in, no time, no limits on your income. You're ready to learn and grow. This is a business, and like any business, you need to learn the digital marketing, product creation, and online sales. If that excites you, then you are in the right place. Maybe you want to create passive income. Imagine waking up to sales notifications from something that you created one time. That is the magic of digital products. But first, we need to bust some myths. This is not a get rich quick scheme. Some people do go viral overnight, but that's the exception, not the rule. A successful digital product business requires effort, it requires strategy, and it requires persistence. And it's not just about making money, it's about impact. Impact mean equals currency. If you're only in this to cash out, you're going to burn out. It's that simple. If you are in it to serve people and to solve problems, the money is going to follow. The power of owning your own product. Well, there's different ways that you can make money online. You can make money by becoming an affiliate marketer. You can explore different reselling licenses like MRR or RR, white label rights. But nothing beats the satisfaction of creating your own product. It's yours, it's your baby, it's your brand, it's your legacy, and nobody can take you from that. That is where the true money is going to come from. All right, so what are you going to gain inside our community? I'm going to help you step by step. I'm going to take you through the mindset shifts that separate struggling entrepreneurs from thriving ones. I'm going to give you some marketing strategies that are going to bring your product front in front and of the right people. I'm going to give you uh, content creation techniques that make selling feel effortless. product launch strategies that turn your ideas into a profitable asset. I know starting a digital product business can feel overwhelming at first, but guess what? I got you. You won't be doing this alone. You'll have a roadmap, a support system, and a mentor, me, to guide you every step of the way. So, is this your path? I want you to take a moment and just reflect. What do you really want for your life and your business? Can you see yourself creating something once and getting paid for it over and over again? Can you imagine building something that gives you freedom, flexibility, and impact? If you're feeling that fire deep down in your gut, that pull, I want you to lean into it. But remember, learning is great, but action is what makes things real. So let's get to work. Your path is waiting. Let's make it happen together.